Are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay.
So Brayden and Sophie are reading their books. Say hello, camera.
Hello, Grandma. Hello, Grandma. And,
Aren't they smart, our preschoolers?
he's in preschool.
Mm-hmm.
And me too, Sophie.
And yeah.
And the mail truck is
Stuck in the muck.
yeah, stuck in the muck. Hey, Sophie, see? And then we got in the way. And the stores. And the mail truck got off of the mud. So